Dorms are an important part of the traditional college experience for many students. However, due to college inflation and higher real estate prices in modern-day dorms, the status quo can lead to some unpleasant results for both students who want an affordable yet comfortable home away from home and institutions that aim to provide a nourishing environment for their students while saving money. Capsule dorms are smaller than traditional rooms and more efficient in every sense. Capsule dorms are inspired by capsule hotels, which are small-sized bedrooms for travelers or people on business trips who don't want to spend hundreds on fancy hotels. Students spend most of their time outside their dorms, in class, studying in the library, hanging out with friends in common areas. But this doesn't change the fact that they spend thousands on dorms each year. College enrollment rates have been on the rise, and this has led to a demand-driven inflation on not only tuition, but also student housing, further constraining students' already limited budgets. Capsule dorms are the best way to save money without giving up on the experience of living on a college campus. The cost of capsule dorms are not only cheaper for students, but they also have the potential to be more profitable for the colleges that would implement them. University housing offices would have to pay less for furnishing the rooms, and they would need less cleaning labor per student because cleaning would be easier compared to traditional dorm rooms. In the near future, with the effects of urbanization, increasing population and student enrollment, technological improvements, and society's shift towards collectivism, capsule dorms will be the new way of living for students all around the world.